Finding slope or gradient of a straight line. A straight line is given to you, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Slope is also called gradient. So let's start with this question. The straight line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. This is the equation of the line. You have to convert the given line in y is equal to mx plus c. You have to convert to this line, and m will be the slope. Y is equal to mx plus c. M is the slope of the line. And the question is to find slope of the line or gradient of the line. So we will convert the given line in this form. This is the standard equation of the straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. And it is also used to find the slope or the gradient. So we are converting now. Y is equal to mx plus c. What is m here? M is 2. M is equal to 2. M is the slope or gradient of the line. So you found the slope, it is 2 of this given straight line. Next question is, y is equal to 4x minus 5. Let's start with this. Y is equal to 4x minus 5. We will convert this equation in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Why are we converting? To find the slope. M is the slope of this straight line. So y is equal to mx plus c. We have converted the given equation in the standard form, y is equal to mx plus c. So you can find what is m here. M is equal to 4. M is the slope. The question is to find the slope. M is equal to 4 of this given straight line. Next question is, y is equal to 8 plus 3x. This is a straight line which is given to you. Y is equal to 8 plus 3x. Convert this line in this standard form. Y is equal to mx plus c. So let's start with this. Y is equal to 8 plus 3x. So the standard equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Let's convert this equation into standard equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. C is 8. Now you can find what is slope. This is the standard equation. M is equal to 3. So let's mark the slope. M equals to 3. Slope or gradient equals to 3 of this given straight line. Y is equal to 8 plus 3x. So you found the slope, it is 3. Next is y is equal to 9 minus 9x. Let's start with this and let's convert in the standard form. Y is equal to 9 minus 9x. We have to convert in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So here I am writing mx plus c. So you can convert m. Okay, you can find m. What is m? m is equal to -9. M is equal to -9. M is the slope, or M is also gradient. This is the answer. So you found the slope. Next question is 2y is equal to 10x minus 6. Let's start this and let's convert in the standard form. 2y is equal to 10x minus 6. This is the standard form. Y is equal to mx plus c. So left-hand side is only having y, and all the other elements are converted on the right-hand side. So we will also do the same thing for this. Left-hand side is only having y, and 2 we can transfer on the right-hand side like this. Next step is 10x divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 2. It can be simplified further. 10 and 2, you can cancel, just 5x, and 6 and 2 also can be simplified. 2 3s are 6. Now you can write the standard form mx plus c to find m. M is very clear. M is 5 or positive 5. So the slope has been found. Gradient, you found it, it's 5. Next question is 7y is equal to -4 minus 4x. This is a straight line which is given. So we can start this. 7y is equal to -4 minus 4x. We have to convert this equation of the straight line into the standard form. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus c. And we have to find m. M is the gradient and m is the slope also. Gradient and slope is the same. So you notice one thing, y is there on the left-hand side in the standard form. So we will also do the same thing. We keep y on the left-hand side, and 7 can be shifted on the right side. 7 is multiplied over here. So now 7 has gone in division form. So let's see what is the next step. -4 divided by 7 minus 4x divided by 7. Let's convert into the same form, the standard form, y is equal to mx plus c, because we are finding slope. Y is equal to -4x divided by 7 minus 4 upon 7. Now you can compare. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now you can find what is the slope. M is equal to -4 divided by 7. This is the slope. Okay? M is equal to -4 divided by 7. Of this straight line which is given to you, 7y is equal to -4 minus 4x. So in this way, we can find the slope of the given straight line. Next question is -6 is equal to -5y plus 3x. Let's start with this. -6 equal to -5y plus 3x. Exactly, you have to convert in the standard form. Y is equal to mx plus c. What did you notice in the standard form? The left-hand side is having y, only y. So we will also do the same. Plus 3x can be shifted on this side and minus 5y. Now it is on the right-hand side. Now we can write minus 5y, right-hand side now becomes the left-hand side. And the left-hand side is the right-hand side now. What is the question which is given? Minus 6 equals to minus 5y plus 3x. Let's compare with the standard form. What is the standard form of the straight line? Y is equal to mx plus c. What did you notice here? Left-hand side is only having y. So we are also trying the same thing. Minus 6 minus 3x equals to minus 5y. Right? We are trying to bring y on one side. Now, minus 5y equals to minus 6 minus 3x. The right-hand side becomes the left-hand side, and the left-hand side becomes the right-hand side. We will keep y on the left-hand side. And minus 5 we can shift on the right-hand side. Minus 5. Okay? And now, let's break the LCM. Minus 6 divided by minus 5. Minus 3x divided by minus 5. Minus 5 can be written with the numerator, both the terms of the numerator. Next, y is equal to 6 upon 5, or we can bring x over here. It is 3x divided by 5. Minus and minus can be cancelled. And here also, 6 upon 5. Minus and minus you can cancel. So this is the standard equation. This is converted in the standard equation form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now you can find slope. Slope you can found like this. Slope can be found like this. M is equal to 3 upon 5. This is the slope or gradient of this straight line. M is equal to 3 divided by 5. In this way, you can find the slope. Now you have x plus y equals to minus 6. This is the equation of the straight line, and you are going to find the slope of this equation. X plus y is equal to negative 6. You have to convert this equation into the standard form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Let's convert it. And y is there on the left-hand side. So we will also try to do like that. Y is there on the left-hand side. And x can be shifted on the right-hand side. It will become minus x. Right? Now we can write like this, minus x minus 6. Because we need to compare with the standard form. Now we can compare. This is the standard form, mx plus c. And what is the equation? Y is equal to minus x minus 6. So you can find what is m. M is the slope. Minus 1x. M is minus 1. This is m. Slope is equal to minus 1 of this given straight line. Slope or gradient is minus 1. Now you have x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. You have to convert this equation in the standard form. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus c. So let's try to convert it. The question we are writing, x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. What did you notice in the standard form? This form, y is equal to mx plus c. One side is y, only y, and it is actually the left-hand side. So we will also do the same. Minus y we can keep here on the left-hand side. X can be shifted on the right side. X will become minus x. Plus 3 we can shift on the right-hand side, and plus 3 will become minus 3. Excuse me, are you understanding? X is shifted on the right-hand side, and x will become minus x. Plus 3 is shifted on the right side, and it becomes minus 3. Now you can compare with the standard form. But the standard form is having only y on the left-hand side. Are you understanding or not? Please try to understand. Y, only y. So let's keep y on the left side and this minus 1. This is not minus only. This is minus 1. Minus 1 we can shift on the right-hand side. Minus x minus 3 divided by minus 1. Now what is the next step? Minus x divided by minus 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 1. Minus and minus you can cancel, and it will become only x. X upon 1 means only x. And 3 upon 1 means only 3. So you can write y is equal to x plus 3. Now you can compare with the standard form, mx plus c. Now you can find what is m. M is 1, 1x. M equals to 1. Of this straight line, slope is 1. Slope is also called gradient. It's 1. I hope you are trying to understand. Now you have y minus x minus tan equals to 0. You have to convert this form of the equation. This is the equation of the straight line. You have to convert this equation in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c, mx plus c. This is the standard form of a straight line. So we are writing, the question is y minus x minus tan equals to 0. What did you notice in the standard form? Only y is there on one side. Only y. So we will also try to keep y on one side, and all the other terms we can shift on the right-hand side. So x will become plus x, minus x will become plus x, and minus 10 will become plus 10. Like this, we can shift all the terms on the right-hand side. Y is equal to x plus 10. Now you can compare with the standard form. Y is equal to x plus 10. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus c. We will talk about c in the next presentation. Let's find m. The question is to find the slope, the gradient. M is 1. Only x means 1x. So m is equal to 1. X and x can be compared. Okay, you're not supposed to take x. X and x can be compared of the two same form of the standard equation of the line. And m is equal to 1. Slope is 1 of this given straight line, y minus x minus 10 equals to 0. What is the step number 1? You have to convert the given equation in the standard form. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus c. This form is very helpful in finding the slope. You just have to find m, right? But you have to do some work. You have to convert the whole equation of the straight line in this form, y is equal to mx plus c. Then you can compare. When you compare, then you can find slope, m. Thank you so much for attending this session.